All right, day 3, let's go.
These are my favorite part of VidCon. I love doing photos and all that stuff, but I'm really Viking when I get to talk. That's why I don't like loud clubs. Because I just don't look good enough to look good when I can't talk. It's also really heavy, but luckily I am really strong. So it's like no big deal. But there it is. This is, I mean, you guys made this happen, so thank you.
Wearing these hats really does make my hair do interesting things. It's not that bad right now, though. Alright, so I was just at Jack and Sean Go Viral. It was a panel where they, Sean Klitzner was basically making some videos that he intended to go viral. And he's basically following the formula that I laid out in a video a few weeks ago, where I was basically saying that, like, if you have people overreacting to something small, it can be a good way to go viral. And he basically just had the entire room do that. He did some really dumb stuff, which, I mean, I probably just showed you video of it. But yeah, he basically just told everyone to react in a crazy way. So, I know what I'm talking about, guys. What is this thing that we're at right now? It's the creator keynote. Yeah. I'm at the creator keynote now. As you can see, I plan my days very, very well. Like that sentence.
Andrew is the only person who can vlog with one hand and solve a Rubik's Cube with the other. For the next act, I mix up the Rubik's Cube with one hand and I take my sweet time.
I try to keep these vlogs like under an hour, so I'm gonna leave you to that. You know, the way people react here, you'd think they'd never seen someone solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded before. Alright, so I just tried this VR thing, and it's interesting. It seems more like just watching a video that happens to know where you're looking than anything else.
Stuck to your face.
Yeah, like it doesn't feel as immersive as I had been expecting, because I've never tried that before. It just feels like it's a video. Like there's no 3D or anything in that one, at least. What do you think, Anna?
I think that it was cool, but I bet like the actual like Vive or like the legit VR ones are probably a whole lot better.
Yeah. And now, I'm on my way to VidCon Prom. It's basically a giant dance party. What I do is I stand in one place and try to get everyone to do a synchronized dance. I just do something until other people start to join me, a nice repeatable motion. Last year I got like 30 people to do this. And that's literally all I did. I just stood there for like 5 minutes doing that until one person came over and joined me. And then as soon as one person came, it was like chain reaction, like everyone did. So I'm gonna see if I can do that again this year, but I'm gonna come up with new, fresher dances. Last year I also got a lot of people to walk in slow motion. I'm pretty good at this. I mean, not to brag or anything, but I'm probably the best one there at doing this sort of thing. I might also be the only one doing this sort of thing there. Shut up.
Cracky.
Thank you. Chanting in unison! Chanting in unison! Goodbye, VidCon, forever.
Oh no.
I mean probably until next year. Bye, Anna.
Bye.
All right,
Are we
okay.
hugging now?
Oh, no, oh, but it's looking over your shoulders. You couldn't tell that we just hugged. I could have just like walked up to you right here. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, what, Jameson? Oh, wait. I already said goodbye to you. I can't talk to you anymore. Okay, bye.